Let's take a look at our large pocket inward scallop. So this can go vertical and it can go horizontal. It measures 6 by 3.5 inches. Plus you've got a 1/2 inch on 3 different sizes for the flaps. So this is a 2-piece. You've got your decorative layering die, which has stitch lines, and then this has your score lines right here and your 1/2 inch flaps to fold those guys back. And then it looks like this. So you've got 3 flaps right here, decorative piece. These get folded back, and then you just want to crease it really good with your bone folder. And then when you glue it down, you want to glue these 3 flaps down to create your pocket. And it can go on a page, mini book, or it can go sideways on a page or mini book, or any other type of paper crafting that you do. Okay, please enjoy your large pocket inward scallop.